Look who's with me today. She's finally back. The Tampster. And I'm going to make something I've never made before. Bacon-wrapped pickles. And I'm going to stuff them crab and andouille. Thank you. And garlic and cream cheese. You guys got to stay with us. This is going to be an awesome recipe cook. By the way, these are kosher deals, and for the most part, these pickles are around 6 inches long. Just gonna split, like you can see I've done some of them here. I just wanted to show you what I did. Let me just get these split down the center, like so. These last two are a little bit smaller. And then I just have, this happens to be a metal 1/4 teaspoon. I don't have a melon ball or anything fancy like that. But I'm just taking this guy like so and coming down the center of that pickle. Hopefully you can see that okay. And just scooping that goodness out, because we're going to stuff some goodies in there. You can see I've got quite a few of the larger ones already done here. So as soon as I get the rest of these scooped out, I'll show you how we're going to stuff them. I've got 8 ounces of lump crab meat, 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese. This is a cup. It's I think they call a Mexican blend of cheese. This is 8 ounces of an andouille sausage. You know those links you can buy in any grocery store. I grilled it up, cut it up. Now we're just going to mix all of this goodness together. Cream cheese, crab, andouille, garlic. Now I want to take these pickles, put them out here, kind of do the whole production line assembly thing. But we're just going to stuff each of these pickles with this stuffing we just made. Our pickles are stuffed. The next step, you probably knew I was going to do this, didn't you? Bacon. That's right. As you're wrapping it, you want to overlap it maybe a ½ inch. There's our first one done. See, it's a pretty simple process. It only took, 5, maybe 10 minutes to get the pickles scooped out. You saw how quick it was to mix up the stuffing. Now I'm just going to wrap all these pickles. As soon as I get them wrapped, we'll be right back for the next step. Got all my pickles wrapped. The next step is going to season them. I'm using Tuffy Stone Cool Smoke barbecue rub. It's got cayenne and paprika, which is going to give these guys a little kick. If you don't want the kick, then just use a sweet barbecue rub. But, if you haven't heard of Tuffy Stone, and that would be hard to be true, he's a world champion, multi-time barbecue winner, TV personality, in barbecue circles. He's very well known. And by the way, I don't know Tuffy, don't have any relationship with him. I'm just giving you a little info about the rub. And if you want to learn more about it, I'll put a link in the description box and in the iCard here in the video. Using this ASMOKE today. ASMOKE provided me the smoker. That's my disclaimer. Now, if you want to learn how you might win one, go watch my root beer chicken video. I'm using Applewood pellets. And what I plan to do for the first 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Just cook it at 225 to get some nice smoke flavor on it. I just finished a different cook at a higher temperature. I was grilling my daughter some tofu. So the temperature here, it's still coming down, but it'll drop to 225 in not much time at all. And you can see our smoke kicking up here. For a pellet grill, it does a fine job on adding smoke flavor. I've got one more. Why don't we put this one like that? Let's get the lid down. It's been 30 minutes. We've been putting that smoke on these pickles. Let's have a look. You can see them. They're obviously not done, right? This first 30 minutes, we're just putting the smoke on them. What I'm going to do now is we're going to crank this ASMOKE up to 300 degrees, finish them off, let this bacon crisp up. It's been an hour and 20 minutes. Look at the color of these guys. You see this one got a little dark. I've noticed this once before. Right here in this spot, that's where the hot spot is on this grill. Every grill I own has a hot spot. This one's no different. It's right here. So I moved it in the back. Now Tammy's with me and she wants me to glaze these up with barbecue sauce. The folks from Hoff sent me out. This is this Hoff BBQ original barbecue sauce. We have these folks hot sauces in our store. We don't have the barbecue sauce, so they sent it out for me to try. But this part of the video is where I start to get pretty daggone excited. We are getting close. Got these guys all glazed up. Let's get the lid back down. We're at 10 more minutes. I think, I'll add it up, but I think that's an hour and 40 minutes total. Look at that. Look at the color on those pickles. I'm going to get these guys off of here, and we're going to do a taste test. Got my favorite taste tester here.
Hi.
We're going to try, you know Tammy, you guys all know Tammy. We're going to try these bacon-wrapped pickles stuffed with crab and andouille, garlic.
They look great.
How come you didn't help me?
I did. I scooped out a bunch of pickles.
Oh yeah, you did scoop out some. She scooped out some pickles before we started the video. Have you ever had these before?
No. You haven't made them for me before.
It's the first time I've made them for me. Let's try one.
Okay. Are we going to cheers?
Oh yeah, sure.
Cheers.
Cheers. It looks kind of weird, but okay.
It does look a little strange. Okay. But. Oh man. Oh wow.
You get the crunch from the pickle. That's the first thing I got. Crab.
So juicy.
I get crab.
I'm getting like pickle juice on me.
Bacon.
Wow. These are incredible. These are really super good.
This is a whole new kind of way to do a
Wow.
quote unquote jalapeno popper. Jalapeno popper.
Wow.
I put the Tuffy stone rub on there, right? Had the paprika, had the cayenne in it. It's not overly hot, is it?
No, it's not.
The barbecue sauce gives it that nice sweet glaze.
I don't taste the andouille sausage. Where's that at?
Maybe you need another one. It was like little chunks spread throughout.
Oh, okay. Wow.
You taste the bacon?
Yeah, I taste the bacon. Yeah.
You taste the pickle?
Yeah.
Just checking.
I don't have COVID. Yeah, so I taste the bacon, I taste the pickle.
Hey, these are awesome. Thanks so much for watching another one of our videos. If you're not a subscriber, I hope you'll subscribe. Leave us a comment. Like. I'm going to sit here and watch her eat the pickle.
It's so good. You should try this. It's really good. It's in like the top 3 things he's made so far. I'm dripping pickle juice on myself. This is super good.
They're yummable.
Yeah, they're yummable. They're really good.
They're yummable.